If you want to do well, find people that can help you to do well. People that can motivate you to do well. People that can encourage you to do well. Learn to do well. Okay, let's learn from God. When God created everything that he created, he would look back and pass on a comment and says, it is good. God does something. He does everything that he does. He looks at it. He says it is good, it is good, it is good, it is good. And he transferred the same nature of doing good. He gave it to you. So this year, everything that you do, you have to look at it and say, this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. Do good this year. You have to do good. You have to do good. Learn to do well. Like your Father, God, who does well in everything that he does.